guys, welcome to the vlog. So it's Saturday. I made a few shirts. It is almost 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go upstairs and take my shower, but I do have one shirt that is for an order. I need it for an order, and there's like some spots on it, so I'm taking it upstairs to see if I can wash them out. Hopefully I can. I'm gonna get in the shower. So we're gonna eat at Bubba's Barbecue and Bash. The restaurant we were gonna eat at is actually closed this week, so this is our second choice. Good morning, welcome to the vlog. Sunday. We didn't make it to church. Actually all just slept in, which was really nice. It is now 10:52 and we are going to go get us a coffee, go to Walmart and get stuff for Sunday dinner. That way we don't have to later, and then go to Papa's and come home. And I got a few to work on, not a lot, but I do want to clear my list for Tuesday. So got Starbucks. We're gonna have hamburgers, and I already got macaroni at home. I'm gonna make mac and cheese. Then we got ice cream and popsicles for dessert. I'm also gonna make the corn mayonnaise stuff to go on top of the burgers because I really liked it like that. Maybe Papa and Uncle Brian will. Feeding the addiction, getting some cherry Coke. Beautiful sky. Drop groceries off at home, and now we're gonna eat at Papa's house. Did you know every one of the kids have done that before? Nathan, Evan, Sissy, everybody has sat on Nancy Goose. So it's now later. We ate at Papa's house, and
yellow.
I put stuff in it. It should be, yeah, it should be pretty well. It's how many hours has it been since we got home from Papa's? But Evan's going fishing. Don't hit his car. Don't hit his car.
I see it.
We're going to go pick up Sterling. She went swimming at Marley's house, so we're going to go get her. But I need to check the P.O. box because I keep forgetting. At the post office. Oh my gosh, it got a shock. I haven't checked in so long. So this is what I've got. Thank you, Verita. I'm gonna open this real quick. So she sent me, there's a gown with a little hat in there. And there's 2 gray. And then here's another one. I believe this. Oh my gosh! A little camouflage. Hold on. I gotta open this up. I've never bought any of these from Angela. Hold on. So I'm in the middle of cooking. Well, I just put corn on to boil and then some water for the macaroni. I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese. Probably need some more water in there. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. I've never bought any of these. But now I'm like, isn't this so stinking cute? So it's a little camo, and it has the little gown, which is it? I kept Nathan and Evan, actually everybody, and Sterling and Journey, in the gowns just because, especially at night, they're so easy to diaper change. You don't have to worry about, you know, buttoning or zipping anything up. Oh, this has a little zipper on the side. These are nice. Yeah, I've never bought any of these from Angela, but I'm definitely going to probably before Cora's. Oh my gosh, and the little hat. We'll put his little name on there. It's Thomas Dwayne. So Nathan's middle name is Dwayne, and my dad's name is Dwayne. And Thomas, I think that's maybe Cora's grandfather, I think. Not positive, but I think that's where Thomas came from. But yeah. Oh, and they sent, that is just the best idea ever. They send, you know, like a little fabric swatch. So let's say if you're, you know, making something, you can match the camo. Oh my gosh.
Mom,
What, baby?
are you gonna start on the counter?
Am I gonna start what on the counter?
Cooking?
Right now I got corn and I got macaroni getting ready to boil.
Is there corn or not?
So it's a 12 to 18 month long sleeve. And then these are for the baby. What size are these?
Look how small.
6 to 9 month onesies. Thank you so much.
Smell it. It smells good a little.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, smell.
Of course, she would be smelling everything.
Smell.
So thank you so much. But her baby shower is at the end of this month. So I want to make stuff for her. Stop, baby. For her shower. I'm also going to, I already got one thing. Of course I bought other things, but you know, for the baby shower. Anyway, so we got corn going. Got corn going over here to make the mayonnaise with the corn. Make sure to put on the burgers, and then we're gonna do macaroni and cheese in this, and then hamburgers. I'm thinking I'm going to do them on the Blackstone, probably. And then we got tomato for the, sorry, I'm trying to set up the legs here. I got some tomatoes. I did buy a lime this time for the mayo stuff. So it's just mayonnaise with some chili powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of hot sauce added to it with the corn, and then you add some lime, and it's so good. And you can, you know, add them to your burger. If you didn't want to add the corn, you could just use it as like a mayonnaise spread, but I like it with corn. Anyway, let me go ahead and it's almost time to add my macaroni. that's it for today's vlog. I finished, well, between Saturday and Sunday. Even though I was like, I want to get all these orders done and I'm not going to work. I did work both days. I shipped 3 priority mail and I think 6 packages first class. Well, now it's called like ground. But I have one that I'm waiting for them to respond before I ship it. So anyway, I just edited another video trying to get caught up. Charlie has an appointment tomorrow. It's not till noon, so we don't have to get up early. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.